Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today in this tutorial I will be guiding you on how to share others TikTok video in your TikTok account. So here what I want you to do is go and open your TikTok and log into it if you have not already. So once you have logged in, open that TikTok app. Here, let's say this is the video that I would want to share to my TikTok account. What I will be doing here is, as you can see the arrow like icon present on the bottom of the video on the right hand side of the screen. So let's just tap on it, and there you will have an option called repost. This will allow to share the video with your friends in your TikTok account. Apart from that, you have other several options to share this video. As you can see, you can share the videos via Snapchat, Facebook, Messenger, WhatsApp, and other various apps. You can even copy the link and post it to wherever you like. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more social media tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.